everyone, welcome back to the Multi Magics channel. As you know, we have our interns with us, and this session will be the Sprint 3 grooming. Today, we'll go over the tasks each intern will be tackling in Sprint 3, breaking it down by team and module. Before we dive in, I want to give a quick shout out to everyone for their hard work in Sprint 2. The progress and the dedication shown by each of you were totally impressive, and it's exciting to see how your skills are developing. So, let's keep up the moment and build on these successes as we move forward. So, without any delay, let's discuss the task for Sprint 3 for this module. The name of this module is DAM, means it's deploy deployment automation module. Okay, so this is deployment automation module. So for this deployment automation module, they have worked on these 4 tabs. They have implemented these 4 tabs in Sprint 2. Okay, speaking about the build tab, we have this version number, version name, and the button, right? So now the task 1 for them is they have to add a small box here that is of output. Okay, if user clicked on this output, they have to show a UI exactly which looks like console. I mean, it should exactly looks like the terminal kind of UI, where you should display all the logs which you are getting from the backend. Okay, so yep, let me show you some other things also. I mean, these are tasks too, like the terminal addition, logs displaying, and the here we have this small option that is left, bottom, right. If user clicked on this, we should display the logs in this side. Okay, moving the whole form along with the button to this side. Okay, we should show logs here. If it makes sense, right? This default option means we are showing in the bottom. This icon is for to show the logs here this time. Okay, so to show that to make you to give even more clarity, let me take a simple example that is Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here if you observe, we have this terminal, right? I think we have this terminal. If I click on this, we are getting some tabs right here. So if I move this, sorry, one second. So this is a tab, bottom view, the bottom view. Okay, so if I click on this, we should display the logs to the right side. If we click on this, we should display to the left side logs. Okay, so these are the controls I was speaking about. They have, I don't know whether I can move this to the right or not. Shall we move that or not? No, we cannot move that. Okay, but it is good, right? So you have the full screen option too. Maybe we can add the full screen option also. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll add another icon that is a kind of full screen. If you see this here, if user clicked on this directly, it is showing the logs in the full screen, right? This is actually interesting. We kind of added a small feature in the video itself, right? Okay, yeah, these are the tasks you are going to perform. For this, these logs which you are going to get, these are from backend. So but meanwhile, before the backend team gives you the whole log synchronously or asynchronously, it depends, right? So sometimes log should run on separate thread, right? Actually log should run on separate thread. We should create a separate thread which which is actually responsible to display the whole logs only there, right? So yep, backend team will provide you this, and meanwhile you can develop the whole UI, and you can add some default text for this to check whether we are getting the controls or whether we are getting the color coding and all properly. Okay, yep, that's all for this module in the Sprint 3. I hope you are going to have a lot of fun because you guys are entering into the core of this module, which is totally building the mobile app and all, I definitely, I definitely give you a great essence that you are going to enjoy in this sprint. I mean, you are entering into the core internals of the web and all. Okay. Yep, that's all for this video. Thank you so much. Happy learning, happy coding. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.